I have a quick unboxing of the See It and Say It flip-flop Spanish. I will be using this for my 8th grader, 9th grader, and 11th grader. They will get a high school credit. This is level 1, and I wanted to share it with you. If you have used this before, please let me know. Maybe you have some tips or tricks. I have another book coming that will work with this as well, and I'll show you that a little bit later. But in the meantime, let's take a look inside. We have the paleta, a whiteboard for Pictionary, illustrating, writing, and fun. We have flashcards, 3 sets of flashcards. 3 sets of flashcards. Review and say them, sound out words, and use them for each audio lesson. We have a little business card that has a QR code on the back for all of the audio files from CDs 1, 2, 3, and 4. It comes with 1 dry erase marker. We have the curriculum manual with 150 pages. It says here that those pages are equal to 4 semesters of lessons. Two card holder pages to save sentences in your binder. And the instructions could not be simpler. 3 easy steps. Read the manual. Select the flashcards for the lesson, just 4 or 6 cards each week. Play the audio and follow along. Lessons take between 8 and 15 minutes 3 times a week. On the back, it mentions grammar concepts include the following, vocabulary topics include the following, and examples of activities include the following. Let's take a peek at this manual.